So at John Force Racing, we try to stay ahead of the competition, build everything we can in-house, and to do that, you have to have the best machines. And Hurco is the choice for John Force Racing. We wouldn't want any other brand. In fact, we've been with other companies, and once our machinists got just a little taste of the Hurco machines, they wanted to clean the house and start over, which we pretty much did. And they just love it. And it's also very, very helpful that they're here in Indianapolis with us. And truthfully, they've helped us with a lot of projects and machining to make things easier and faster and quicker. And that's how you stay ahead of the competition. You know, if you go to a manufacturer and want to buy some cylinder heads and you make some changes to them, you go back and order more, then they know that worked. So they're going to sell and take your technology and your ideas everywhere else and to make money. So we try to keep everything we can in-house, and Hurco is the reason we do that.
Building, 80% of the parts that we run at John Force Racing, we need a great machine that will build a precision part and do it repeatedly. We're building our own short block cylinder heads, and those things need to be precise and exact to our specifications every time it comes out of the machine, and that makes our race cars run better, our crew members' jobs easier, and it turns into winning races and winning championships. So glad to have Hurco on board with John Force Racing, and wouldn't want to do it with anybody else.